wasn't planning on showing anything. I was just going to feed this bin, but I remembered I had the horseradish, and in the other bin the worms are actually going crazy for it. So I wanted to bring you along, show you as I uncover this. So can you see, like the end, they've actually started eating on the ends. There's a piece right there. That is wild. I did not think that they would get after it that fast. Unbelievable. But I'm very, very happy. So I just figured I'd bring you along, quick show you. It's so wild. This here was my 1 pound red wiggler bin. And the population has definitely grown. I'm horrible at guesstimating how much, but definitely the last few feedings, whatever I fed them, this area has just been packed with worms. Cool, so I guess I'll do an update on this one in the upcoming days, and I hope you enjoyed my setting up of the vermi hut.